Luke 6:46, why do you call me Lord, Lord, and do not do what I say? Luke 6:46, John 3:30, he must become greater, I must become less. John 3:30, Zechariah 8:17, do not plot evil against your neighbor, and do not love those who are falsely. I hate all these, declares the Lord. Mark 10:45, for even the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. Mark 10:45. Mark 2:11. At the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. John 8:36. So if the Son sets you free, you will be free indeed. Mark 11:24. Therefore, whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours. John 4:24, God is a spirit, so his worshippers must worship in spirit and in truth. Acts 5:20, go stand in the temple courts and tell the people the full message of new life. Luke 10:2, the harvest is plentiful, but workers are few. Ask the Lord of the harvest, therefore, to send workers into his harvest.